Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this session, I'm going to show you one great Laravel package, Blade Flag. First of all, what is Blade Flag and why we should use it? In our application, sometime we need to show country flags, language flag. That time we find some flag images and render it through the image tag. But after this package, we no need to do that thing because this package provide very nice way to render it. So let's see how this package useful and how we can install in our application. This package easy to display country and language flag in your Laravel Blade view. Basically this package requirement is PHP 8.0 or higher and Laravel 9.0 or higher. You cannot use it in lower version. We can install this package through Composer. So let me install this package in my application. First of all, I'm going to show you PHP version in my application 8.1.0, and let me paste this command and install this package in my this Laravel application, and package installed successfully. Next thing is we need to publish the config file of this package using this command php artisan vendor :publish tag blade flag config. Same way I paste this in terminal and see path displayed here, blade flag.php file published inside the config directory. So let me open config directory placed into the root folder of the project, and some configurations given here. I will show you later how this configuration useful. First of all, I'm going to show you use of this package. See some example given here for render the flag. So I copy this, and first of all let's start server again, php artisan show, and I'm going to render demo page here and set flag here. So let me open demo blade file and I'm going to put here, and this one is a country code, and this is the part of the component, and you can render it with this single line. IN is a code of India, and I'm going to render Indian flag here, and you can see it's easy to render. Now this component is very configurable, and we can specify class here as well and control the CSS and style. I'm going to declare class here and specify width 30 pixel and height 30 pixel. See, flag is small. Same, let's check other thing. If you want to render flag dynamically, sometime we need to show through the database as well. That time we need to render flag dynamically. So I'm going to show one example how you can render dynamically. I'm going to declare one variable using PHP directive, and specify in, save, and let's refresh. See, so you can put value from the variable and render dynamically. Now I'm going to show you use of the config file. So let me open blade flag php and see prefix, fallback, class, and attributes for configuration available in this file. As you know, I show here. Let me remove this first and go with the simple example. Let's copy this and put here, and I specify class for the width and height. If I want to render same width and height flag, that time just we need to specify width and height in this attribute section. Just save and let's refresh and see. If you want to increase, let's add 1 0 and see. So this attribute useful for specifying this width and height. If want to specify directly class, I declare this icon class into this style and I can specify and see. Again, size of this flag is changed. Same, if I specify any component and not found and get any error, that time you can specify fallback flag. So default flag display here, and this one is a prefix of the component. This is the component prefix. If I want to change, if I specify SML, save and refresh and get error because SML does not exist. But if you want to configure this package, give us to support for do that. So let me open and specify SML, save and just refresh, and you can see it's rendered successfully. So you can easily configure it. And let me show you one example of the language icon. You need to specify language code here and render it same way. Let's replace, save and refresh because I change this prefix, so again I need to change this prefix here. Save and you can see here that prefix affected in both component, country and language. So that's it in this package. This is very simple and easy to use, so you can enjoy this package. And thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.